Chair, dahil may namatay, dapat po ay alam din po natin yung ginamit sa pagpatay. I mean, yung police. Na halimbawa may operation yan, nanlaban, may paltik yung nanlaban, pero yung mga police po, yung kanilang ginamit na baril, dapat po ay naka-record din. O meron din tayong report. Hindi po ba? So para makita rin natin.
Confiscated, di ba?
Yes, confiscated. Dahil, di ba sinasabi ng batas na kapag merong namatay, dapat talagang naiimbestigahan. Hindi lang po yung baril ng nalaban. At yung mga evidences nung bumaril, no, kailangan nandiyan din po. So, tanong ko po sa PNP, na-preserve din po ba yung mga ganong mga evidences? Para makita natin, Mr. Chair, kung ano yung tumama anong bullets, magkaroon ng matching, Mr. Chief.
Yes, General Salvador, please reply.
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor. Normally, all encounters, armed confrontation, are placed in scene of crime operations procedures. So it has all the SOCO report, and therefore all evidences are in custody of the SOCO, and normally it is being prepared and being readied for if required by the court. So, with all the presumptions that these are covered by reports, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair,
Mr. Chair, follow up.
Yes.
Ang tanong ko po, na-preserve din ba yung mga baril na ginamit ng police doon sa scene of the crime? Yun po yung tanong ko doon. Or ginamit lang yan and then ginamit pa rin siyang service firearms. So yun po yung tanong natin doon sa police.
Your Honor, that can be answered once the Director of Forensic Group will be present because as I have mentioned, these are all covered by SOCO reports, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, ano ba yung procedure?
Yeah, pwede bang malaman na General kung ano ang procedure? Halimbawa, nagkaroon ng engkwentro at napatay ang kalaban ng mga Philippine National Police, kawani ng Philippine National Police. Hindi ba kinukuhaan ng ballistic records yung baril ng police at saka yung baril ng nanlaban?
Normally, Your Honor, tulad ng nabanggit natin sa operational procedure kasi natin, it is being subjected to scene of crime operations, procedures, and tulad yung may mga namamatay, tama po kayo, aside doon